How to fix Ryobi app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, first of all, head over to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Ryobi. Move into this app. Right here, you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. So instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And this might be the reason that you are having the issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. So once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, simply search for the application Ryobi. Once you find it, head over to it. Now tap on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App. Offloading app will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Ryobi app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.